What pushed you to become as who you are right now?
I remember a long time ago, I was all alone. Darkness filled my eyes. I couldn't see anything. I was lonely. There's no one I can hold on to. But then I realized I was blinded to saw the truth. I was fooled to a thought that I was alone. When I opened my eyes, I saw the light. And then it hits me. Even if we are young, we have to see the truth. We have to see the reality. We have to see what is happening in our surroundings. And even if we are young, we can lead to make a change. We can make a change to have a better society who takes care of the well-being of people. Everyone can take a lead. Everyone can make a change. It is hard, but you have to be strong. Because if you have the will, strength, and your team, you are not going to be worried. Instead, you will feel genuinely happy on serving others. Of course, not only you, but also your team. If you and your team work together, unite together, serving together, everything becomes possible.
What is your motivation?
Youth becomes my motivation to move forward, to speak, and to listen to others. Youth can make a change to our society and for our better future. As said by Audrey Hepburn, nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible.